हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू प्राइश एजू। सो स्टूडेंट, आज हम सीखेंगे महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 6 में हिस्ट्री एंड सिविक्स में जो हमारा सेकंड चैप्टर है सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री, जिसमें आज हम सीखेंगे आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस एंड डिस्क्राइब ब्रीफली। तो स्टूडेंट, ये है हमारे वीडियो नंबर 2 और वीडियो नंबर 1 में हमने ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप के क्वेश्चंस देखे थे। तो आज हम इस वीडियो में सब्जेक्टिव टाइप के क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। तो स्टूडेंट, आपको करना क्या है कि ये जो चैप्टर है ये आपको ध्यान से पढ़ना है, 1 से 2 बार पढ़ो आप। तो ये पढ़ने के बाद अगर आप ये दोनों वीडियो में से सभी क्वेश्चंस आप कर लेंगे तो आपका ये जो कंसेप्ट है ये पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा और आपको आने वाले एग्जाम में अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपके लिए आ जाता है तो आप इजीली इसके आंसर दे सकते हैं। तो स्टूडेंट, मेरी आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि कृपया ये वीडियो एंड तक देखें और अपनी कंसेप्ट जो है वो पूरा क्लियर करने की कोशिश करें। तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं आज के हमारे इस वीडियो को। फर्स्ट है यहाँ पे answer the following questions in one sentence, and the first one is what helps us understand our history, and the answer is a number of objects used by our ancestors still exist. Some inscriptions from the past have been recovered. Sources like these help us to understand our history. Next one है what are the sources of history, and the answer is history can also be learned through customs and traditions, folk arts, folk literature, as well as historical documents. All these are known as sources of history. Next one is what are the artifacts, and the answer is man uses a variety of things in his day-to-day life. They are known as artifacts. नेक्स्ट वन है हाउ डू स्टोन एज पीपल हैव एक्सप्रेस्ड देयर इमोशंस, एंड द आंसर इज द स्टोन एज पीपल हैव रिकॉर्डेड मेनी इवेंट्स एंड एक्सप्रेस्ड देयर इमोशंस इन पेंटिंग्स ऑन रॉक्स। नेक्स्ट वन है व्हाट आर द ओरल सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री, एंड द आंसर इज ओवीज, फोक सॉन्ग्स, folk tales, and similar literature is passed on from generation to generation by word of mouth. This type of literature preserved by oral tradition forms the oral sources of history. Next question है name 3 types of sources of history, and the answer is material, written, and oral sources of ancient Indian history are found. Next question है what is the meaning of ancient period, and the answer is the ancient period of Indian history extends from the Stone Age to the 8th century CE. Next question है name any 5 material sources, and the answer is rock paintings, ornaments, sculptures, coins, caves, pillars, and stupas are some material sources. Next question है which tree bark man used in the beginning to write on, and the answer is in the beginning man used birch, burja tree bark to write on. Next question है name any 3 written sources of history, and the answer is religious books, plays, poetry, travelogues, and scientific works are known as written sources of history. Next question है how do we get information about the diet of the people, and the answer is we get information about the diet of the people from the remains of food grains, seeds, and bones of animals found in excavations. Next question है यहाँ पे है describe briefly, and the first question is describe briefly about material sources, and the answer is man uses a variety of things in day-to-day life known as artifacts. Artifacts used by humans in the past provide us valuable information about life in the ancient times. We can decide the period of ancient artifacts like earthen pots by studying the shape, color, and design on ancient potsherds. The ornaments and other artifacts throw light on social interaction. We get information about the diet of the people from the remains of food grains, seeds, and bones of animals found in excavations. Also, we find the remains of houses and buildings built in different historical periods. We also find ancient coins and seals. All this gives us information about the human activities in the past. All such artifacts, articles, monuments or their ruins are called the material sources of history. Next question है यहाँ पे describe briefly about written sources and the answer is the Stone Age people have recorded many events and expressed in their emotions in paintings on rocks. After thousands of years, man learned the art of writing. In the beginning, humans used symbols and signs to record their thoughts and ideas. In the beginning, man wrote on potsherds, unbaked bricks using pointed objects. He also used birch, burja tree bark to write on. As his experience and knowledge increased, he began to write in different ways. He began to record the events that took place around him. Accounts of the proceedings of royal courts were also written systematically. Many rulers had their orders, judicial decisions, donations, etc. inscribed on stone or copper plates. Over a period of time, many forms of literature developed. They included books on religious and social subjects, plays, poetry, travelogues, and scientific works. All this literature helps us to understand the history of the various historical periods. These sources are known as written sources of history. Next question here, describe briefly about oral sources and the answer is ovies, folk songs, folk tales and similar literature is passed on from generation to generation by word of mouth. This literature is not in the written form. Its authors are unknown. This type of literature preserved by oral tradition forms the oral sources of history. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे व्हाट आर द प्रिकॉशंस टू बी टेकन व्हाइल राइटिंग हिस्ट्री and the answer is it is necessary to take precautions while using these sources to history. A written document cannot be said to be authentic just because it is old. It needs to be examined critically as to who wrote it, why and when it was written. The conclusions drawn on the basis of various genuine documents have to be cross-checked and corroborated with one another. Such a critical analysis is very important in the writing of history. तो स्टूडेंट देखा आपने कि ये सभी क्वेश्चंस आपको आपके आने वाले एग्जाम में बहुत ही यूजफुल होने वाले हैं. तो ये सभी क्वेश्चंस आप वीडियो 1 और वीडियो 2 के सभी क्वेश्चंस अगर आप करके जाएंगे तो आपका ये कंसेप्ट पूरा हो सकता है और आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन इस चैप्टर से आ जाएगा तो आप इजीली इसका आंसर दे सकते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करना. सो स्टूडेंट थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.